In this lesson, I'll show you how to take one piece of film, cut it in the proper areas, stack the film on top of each other, and add in a transition to fade the character out as if he's disappearing. What you want to do to make this effect work is to film the actor doing what the actor needs to do, and then keep the film rolling for as long as the acting was. So we can put this piece of film over this piece of film. We want this scene to end while he's still screaming. So let's cut it right here and then bring this scene up like this so we can take this scene and put it underneath it. Let's start the scene where the actor is totally hidden from the scene. Let's cut it here. Let's delete this part and then bring this part underneath here. Right click on this piece of film and then scroll down to unlink. Take the audio and delete it. Bring the visual part underneath. Hover on the right side of the clip until you see a red arrow, and then right click and then click on Apply Default Transitions. This will fade the character out. Let's watch.
Whoa, 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 whoa!
So that extra scene here helps with the transition. Makes it look like this guy disappears. We can make the transition longer. Let me zoom in, click on the transition and drag it to the left. Now it's going to be a long fade. Watch.
Whoa, 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 whoa!